Peace, peace. What's going on with you good people? You should already know you back with your homeboy Wrenchturna. It's another daily vlog, man. Top of the week to you too. Man, I am currently sitting on my couch, looking out the window, waiting on the UPS to bring my Rain 1. The anticipation is killing me to death. But we gonna get into it. This is the video that I've been waiting to make. You know what I'm going to say next, right? Let's go. Let's get it, baby.
Tonight I'm feeling heavy,
Feeling real heavy.
like down It's C-Pop,
baby.
it's time to do.
What we gonna do?
Tonight we gon' ride. Tonight we gon' ride.
So yeah, it's been like 12 days, I think, since I ordered my Rain 1. And like I felt the way, right? Because for those of you who don't know, I ordered a NS7 and it was a pre-owned unit. Didn't think much about it, kind of had some dialogue with the owner of it. He had it in the Odyssey case. I mean, you guys seen the video. If you didn't see the video, go check it out. It's right there. Had conversation with him and everything, but little did I know he was trying to swindle me the whole time. You know what I mean? And he had it set up in his mind that he was going to try to get over on me. Shouts out to, I think his name is Cashin South. He's on eBay. If you see him, don't shop with him. He sent me the controller knowing that it had issues. He sent me the controller knowing that he was trying to get over on me. Now, when I sent it back to him, he tried to swindle me out of money. He tried to say that the unit was broke. He tried to say that knobs was broken off of it. He said that the microphone was broke. And clearly, in the video, you guys could see that I packaged everything back up the same way that he sent it. And what really, let me fix this, what really rubbed me more than anything else was the fact that he contacted eBay and said to eBay that I had damaged the product on return. Said that I didn't put it in a box. I'm gonna share this like all of the screenshots that I took. I'm gonna share all of them. You guys gotta know, man. It's more ways than one to get your money back and to make sure that people like him don't keep your money. All right, so he tried to keep exactly half of my money. All right, and I contacted him. I'm gonna show you guys those screenshots too. I contacted him and asked him to send me pictures of the controller being broke, knowing that I had made videos of packaging it and everything. Before I could do that, I I think I sent a work order to eBay, and my buying track record with eBay is flawless. Like, I've been shopping on eBay for quite some time. I mean, not only personally, but also as a shop owner, as a mechanic. Like, I send people to eBay to buy things when I have to work on their bikes and everything. So I send people to eBay quite often. It let me move this right quick. It it disheartened me to know that, you know, another brother, as always now, I don't know why. It's now it just seems like everybody wants to get over. And I really get tired of dealing with these type of entities. And it's like, why are you even in business? Cash and South. My question to you, champ. Why are you even in business? Doing raggedy shit like that. You know I ain't mess up your damn controller, champ. You know what I mean? And when I sent my YouTube videos to the actual customer service person that I was working with, we got off the phone. She contacted me back like 20 minutes later. And she was like, we are going to issue you a full refund. She was like, we'll deal with him, but we are going to issue you a full refund. This lady said that she seen the way that the turntables came to me, and she was like, yeah, you did. You packaged it the same way it was sent to you. I'm talking about to a T. People like that need to be dealt with correctly. And I'm not talking about in no court, because these people don't deserve to be doing business. It's a bunch of shiesty ass people doing business in the name of business, but they're not doing real business. If they was doing real business, people like me would have better things to say about them. I don't have nothing good to say about people that do bad business. Even right here in this city, I could name so many people that I've dealt with that did bad business. And you can't sit back on that goofy shit making excuses for everybody. No. If you are the paying customer, they have one job, and that job is to do that job correctly to the best of their ability. If you can't do that job to the best of your ability, you need to knock it the fuck off and do something else with your life, because that ain't for you. And being out here swindling people out of money that they working hard for, or however they getting it. Because what's going to happen is I can't say who or when or what or whatever, but it's going to be a point, and you don't know what's going through somebody's mind. You don't know what somebody's going through, and you go to do this to a person, and they're going to lose their shit. And in your head, you're going to be thinking, man, why is this person doing so much? Not even realizing that your finesse mentality and the things that you have done to them was their breaking point. You know what I'm saying? And then when it happens, people that know your business practices, they're not going to care. Because all they're going to say is, well, shit, the nigga did it to me too. Yeah. You want to be known and you want to be revered as somebody quality, regardless if people don't want to give you your flowers or not, regardless if people want to say it to you or not. I know for a fact it's not one single person that's going to be real anyway. That's going to tell you that I ever took from them, that I ever finessed them, or I ever tried to get over on them. It's not a quality of mine. I'd rather work for it. I'd rather earn it. You know what I'm saying? Like if this was many, many, many years ago, I'd have been talking about hustling for it. I don't have to do none of those things now. But yo, I ain't gonna hold you. You know, I ain't gonna make no long video about it. I am going to sit here and continue to wait on my turntables. But I want to have a little commentary with you guys. And hey, it is what it is. Make sure that you guys visit VoiceandBridges.com. Make sure you stop by and stay fly for all of your get fly needs. All right. Make sure that you pull up on our new brand ambassador, DC the DJ, on Instagram. If you are in Florida, make sure that you find out where he's spending that. All right? Brand ambassador for voiceandbridges.com. I just can't even believe that I'm saying we have a brand ambassador. That's just crazy in itself, right? All right, so I'll talk to you guys later, man. You know the vibes. Look out for new shop talk. Look out for a new Saute Thursday coming up this week. You know the vibes. Wrenchturna out. Wrenchturna out. Peace out.